How to delete my Facebook dating profile. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on See More. The option of dating will be visible to you. All you want to do is head over to it. It will open up your Facebook dating profile. Once you are in here, click on this gear icon at the top right corner. It will open up your settings. Head over to General, and at the bottom, you'll find the option of Delete Profile. Click on it. Now you need to state the reason on why you want to delete your profile. If you are not interested in giving the answer, then you can just click on Skip at the top right corner. The option of Delete will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Once you click on it, it will delete your dating profiles, photos, answers, and conversations. Anything you have shared will all be deleted, and you'll no longer be able to see or message people in dating. Your shortcut to dating will also be removed, and you also won't be able to recover your account. So only click on delete if you are ready to delete all of them. Well, that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your dating profile on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.